DataBoss. Preserve, then easily find your data, photos, videos, any data, even years later. Hi guys, I'm Alex. I am the creator and developer of DataBoss, and I'd like to introduce you to the brand new version 2.4 of DataBoss called Sherlock. This release is called Sherlock because we have added the brand new search features that are fantastic. So let's get right to it. You can see that beside the text or search input box, you now have two more boxes for the start date and the end date. So you can filter the search results by date. You can enter either singular or plural version of the search word, and the DataBoss is smart enough to find the other version, meaning that, for example, if we want to search for the word peers, in this case, that would be plural from the word peer, and then let's just hit enter on the keyboard to perform this search. You will get both peer and peers matches in the catalog search results. So that's pretty smart right there. But also, what we can do is we can now limit the search or filter the search by dates. Say 12th May 2016. And there you go. So you have only the results after the start date and before the end date. You can see that the end date automatically changed to today's date. That's the date of this recording. And so if you wish, you can actually limit it by the end date that is different from today's date. So for example, you can enter April, say 10th, 2019. Of course, we're going to get the same results because they will fall into this filter. But the system is smart enough to recognize different ways of you entering the dates. For example, 12th May 2016. And you will see that the system automatically recognized that. May 10th, 16, which means May 10th of the year 2016. You can say 10th May 2016. You can say 10th May 16. You see? So as long as you're following reasonable formats of entering the date, the system will understand what I'm talking about. Now we have the use of apostrophe over here. The St. Patrick's Day that I know I have, but I don't know when. So we are going to delete the start date. I don't want to filter, in this case, by dates. Let's just find all the St. Patrick's records. And there you go, we found them. So if we want the strict search, then just like in Google, we would surround the search phrase by the quote marks. And there you go. Now we're going to have the whole word St. Patrick's highlighted because we have the strict search in this case because of the quotation marks. Now, another feature I'd like to show you is search by the file extension. So for instance, we want to find all the files with extension, let's say .db in our backups. So we would use a strict search to make sure that just that exact search phrase is found. And by clicking on search, we're going to get this record. The DataBoss finds these files, finds these backups by the file extension. Okay, so to recap, we have the search by extensions, we have the filter by dates, we have the plural and singular in any order, so to speak. We have the apostrophe in the search, improved layout of the interface for your convenience. Our website is DataBoss.one. I'm Alex, creator and developer of DataBoss, and this was the video recapping the new features in DataBoss version 2.4 Sherlock. Thank you very much for watching.